In today's video, I will walk you through how to set pronouns on Discord. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer or phone, and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. On desktop, look at the bottom left corner of Discord and click the gear icon next to your username to open user settings. On mobile, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your user settings. Next, select Profiles or Edit Profile, depending on your Discord version. This is where you can manage information displayed on your profile, such as your display name, avatar, and other profile details. Look for the Pronouns field. If the option is available on your account, click or tap inside the field and enter the pronouns you want to display.
You can enter pronouns such as he, him, she, her, they, them, or another set that represents you. Keep the entry short and easy to read. On mobile, you may see a save button or check mark instead. Once the changes are saved, your pronouns will be displayed on your Discord profile when the feature is available to your account. If you don't see a pronouns field, the option may not currently be available on your account or Discord version. Make sure Discord is updated and check again later if necessary. Also, remember that server pronoun roles are different from the pronouns displayed on your Discord profile. Server roles are controlled by individual server administrators and moderators. That's it. Open Discord, go to Edit Profile, find the Pronouns field, enter your pronouns, and save your changes. And that's how to set pronouns on Discord. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.